Hello, landlords. So, we're talking about eviction filing. And what happens if it turns out you made a mistake? You filed your eviction, you took it to the courthouse, you signed all the necessary paperwork, and a week later you realize, oh no, I put the wrong address for the property in question. I meant to put 123 Maple Street, but I put 123 Oak Street. Well, that's a problem, and it's not something that you can just fix at trial. So if you have filed something in error and you need to amend your petition, you need to go down to the courthouse and file that amendment with the court. If the lawsuit has already been delivered to the defendant, that new amended petition will have to be delivered to the defendant prior to trial, and that resets probably the soonest you can get an eviction trial. So by rule, the tenant is allowed at least 6 days of notice of the petition that will be heard at trial before the trial is heard. So for example, if the tenant got their first petition and they're set for trial in 1 week, 3 days later you amend that petition. Well, there's no way the amended version of your petition can be heard in the next 4 days, because there's no way to give notice under the rule to the tenant in time to make that happen. So while that notice will go out, the tenant will be allowed an extension of time. So that original case setting, the trial setting, is going to be reset by the court, and so you can expect a delay. But it's better that you fix the petition than show up to court and say, "Oops, can we do this now?" Because can the court do that? Sure. Is it proper? No, it's not. And so if the matter is appealed and the court at the county court level sees that, well, you requested possession of a totally different property. Your lease doesn't even mention the property in your petition. Case dismissed. And so you certainly don't want that. You're much better off waiting a few extra days than going through potentially months in a process just to be told you have to start over because you wanted to save a few days. It's not worth it. File your amendment and get that in before the original trial. It's going to make things much better for you and prevent many more headaches down the line. All right. Happy leasing. So send me your questions. If you've got questions about landlord-tenant law and there's something you're a little shaky on or something you just need a little clarification, post something in our Facebook group. Shoot me an email at ernie.garcia@attorneyeg.com. It's right there. Or post something in our Facebook group. If you're not a member yet, join our Facebook group. We look forward to you. If you look on Facebook, we are Texas Landlords. Finally, if you want to call, that's our number. Feel free to call us, and we'll be happy to help in any way that we can. And so keep your questions coming. I'm happy to answer as many questions as I can.